2022 Nissan Frontier. With less than 41,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It's equipped with a full package of convenience and efficiency, such as satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, tinted windows, power driver's seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input. Take home the car of your dreams today.